So I know that you like people if you're in the real estate business, if you're a real estate agent, but I also hope that you like viewing houses. That activity is very critical for us to have that kind of independent recollection, the kind of in-depth knowledge of the inventory that's available for your buyers and also the current activity for your sellers. So what I don't want you to do is get trapped into the lure of thinking that you can sit behind your computer and view all the virtual tours and view all the beautiful photos online like we have access to now and think that you know the market. You got to drive the neighborhoods, you got to look at the schools, you got to open the front door and walk in, check out that kitchen, check out the backyard, look in the great room. I mean, you got to have that kind of specific knowledge about what's going on, not just what the pictures look like on the MLS. We all know the pictures look different than in reality. So if you were to get a call today from a buyer and they describe, hey, I want this 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in this specific neighborhood, it's a lot different if you can say, you know what, I was just in all those homes in the last couple of days. I know the 3 best ones I want to show you this afternoon. Are you available? I mean, the service level that that buyer will receive will go through the roof. The credibility that you'll have with that buyer will go through the roof, and I guarantee the amount of referrals you get from the buyer will go through the roof. In addition, if you get a call from a potential seller saying, hey, I want to list my home, when you go there with the CMA or with your pricing opinion, you don't just have to rely on the stats. You don't just have to rely on some charts and graphs that you print off the computer. I mean, you know it. You know the market. You know what's going on because you've seen the houses. So your activity today is to schedule the time to check out at least 15 new properties that you have not seen in the last 30 days and get that scheduled to take the time to do that over the next 30 days. So at least 15, okay? Couple a day, one a day, every other day. Just make it happen because when you do that, you will be very, very in touch with the market. Now, some of you might be touring with your brokers in your office or going out with some buyers. That's fine. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about knowing the exact specific properties that match the niche that you're trying to serve. Not just what happens to come on the market or not just what happens to be that you want to tour with some people in your office. I mean, that's good for you and your business. The price range that's good for you, the neighborhoods that are good for you, the areas that are good for you, that just go look at the properties that are good for your business, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, and go out and make it happen. I will see you in the next Payday Blueprint activity video really soon.